Hi friends, how are you all? I'm fine. In this video, we are going to see that how to get 100% free internet from a fruit called orange. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. Things needed for making this project is one orange, copper wire, then a cable, a micro USB cable according to your mobile, a screwdriver, a scissor, a cutter, and two pieces of screws. Okay, now let's start making our project. Take orange first, then take the screws, keep it over here, then just screw it. Then take another screw and keep it just next to it and do the same. Both the screws should be equal in size. So, it's almost okay, I think. So now take our copper wire, then put the copper wire in both the screws. Just spin it like this. Now in this side. Now it's almost done. So now we have to do one more step. Keep the orange aside, then take our cable, cut this USB end. Cut this USB end. Using a scissor. Yes. So we cutted it. Now take our cutter. Now just peel this black color outer coating. It's almost done. Yeah. Now it should look like this. Now peel the black color outer coating a little, not too much. Don't peel it full. Then cut the extra part. Yes. Now there will be the silver color, that also you have to cut it off. Even you have to cut this silver coating. After cutting it, looks there will be four cables totally. That is nothing, white, green, red and black. So now you have to cut this white and black. This two cable is not required for our project, just cut it off. Now we have two cables, that is black and red. So now we have to peel it off. Peel the outer coating, just we need the copper. Yes, after peeling, just rotate the wire like a straight wire, both the wires. Now it's almost done. So now we have to take our orange, then put the red color in first screw. If you have soldering, it's good to solder it. Then take the another wire and put next to it. Then our project should look like this, with the micro USB and the orange with the cables. So it's almost done. Now just testing part is left. So let's do testing right now. Okay, it's the time to do testing. Let's do testing. This is my mobile. My mobile is on airplane mode right now. You can see it. Airplane mode is on. So now we have to connect this USB cable, the micro USB cable from which we connected from orange. You can see that it's directly connected from orange itself. I'm not doing anything. So let's connect the cable and see, are we getting internet or not. We just connected it. So now I'm going to YouTube and I'm going to watch my own videos. Let's see it's coming or not. Yeah, the video is playing. You can see all. You can see the timing. The video is playing. So we are getting a 100% free internet from Orange. I'm not doing any other fake things. We are getting 100% free internet. So in this video we saw that how to get 100% free internet from this project. But this is totally fake. In so many social media, there are so many videos that how to get free internet from so many things. But that's all fake. But they use only one trick in the mobile phone. But in the mobile phone they have internet access. But that notification will not show in the notification bar. That I will show you, demonstrate in the video. Please watch it. Now in my mobile phone, internet is on, mobile data is on. So I'm going to YouTube right now. Now I'm playing the video. You can see the video. Yeah, now the video is playing. Just I'm going out. I'm going to switch off my mobile data. It means I'm going to put it on airplane mode. Now it's on airplane mode. Then same I'm going to YouTube. But I'm playing the video right now. Now you can see over here, no connection. So just I'm going to mobile dialer. I'm going to type *4636, then *, then it will be like this. Now I am going to phone information 1. That is my first SIM card mobile. In that SIM card I have internet access. Now I am going to mobile radio power. You can see over here. Mobile radio power is off right now. I am going to switch it on. The mobile radio power is on right now, but the phone is on airplane mode. Now I am going to again YouTube. You can see back online. It went right now. Yeah, same the video is playing right now, but the mobile phone is on airplane mode. So this way, so many YouTubers and so many YouTube channels do fake videos. So this is I'm making a kind of awareness video. So in this video you saw that 100% free internet is fake. We will not get anyhow free internet. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share my video to so many of your friends so they can be aware of this. So thanks for watching. I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.